What's going on, guys? I've got a 2004 Honda CRV and I'm going to use this car to show you how to change the blower motor. And check my other videos. I'm going to show you how to test the blower motor system. But to start with, all you need is a T25 Torx and maybe a flathead screwdriver to help prying. The blower motor is up underneath this cover here and it's held in by some clips. So to get this thing out, you just pull down on it and pop the clips out. There's a total of 3 clips in the front. And once you've pulled that down, this whole piece will just kind of pull towards you. So, and these 2 pieces at the back, that's how it's retained in the back. Those 2 little nubs, they go up in here and there. So here we've got the blower motor. And the first step for you is to disconnect the connector, which is right here. You can push on the plastic there at the top and it will come out. That's the little retainer right there. Sometimes that piece will be stuck in there pretty good, in which case you can use a screwdriver to push in on the nub and it will pop out. And once you've got it disconnected, you can just fold the wiring piece out of the way. And now you'll need to remove the 3 Torx that secure the blower motor into the HVAC box. So there's one right there. There's another one in the back here. And there's one up here at the top, right there. Can't really see that one too good. You may want to be prepared with a vacuum cleaner. A lot of times dirt and debris will get into the blower motor. So I've got 2 of the 3. Here's the last one there. Yeah, this one's easy. It just fell right out. Now the blower motor that I got came with the fan. Yours may not. You may have to remove this, but I would suggest buying one that has the fan on it. Another difference between the old and new blower motor is the new blower motor, the connector is offset, which is okay. But yeah, so with the new one, there's 3 bolts, like I said. You just have to make sure you orient it correctly. And so the weird one that sticks out, you know, the other 2 are triangles. The square shaped one goes over to the left here. So yeah, hold that in place while you get the new part on there. So yeah, that's about it. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions and be sure to see my other video on troubleshooting the blower motor system.